Hello friends, welcome to Coding with Bharat. So in today's lecture we will learn what is code. Okay, so let's begin. So what is code? Code is set of rules and instructions written in specific programming languages that helps us to talk to the machines. Okay, so the code is set of rules and regulations, and it has some protocols which are written in programming language, in specific programming language. Okay, so the programming language may be a C or a C++ or Java or Python. Okay, so these languages are helps to talk to machines. Okay, so just as humans speak different languages, so machines also having some programming languages like C, C++ and other. Okay, so there are hundreds of programming languages and each suited to different tasks. Okay, so we know C programming language, C++, Java, Python. Okay, so there are hundreds of programming languages which are used to talk to machines. Okay, so coders are the people who understand and work with these languages on a daily basis. Okay, so some coders works on C programming, and some coders works on C++, some work on Java, and some work on Python. Okay, so that's all in today's lecture. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.